I hope you enjoyed your stay, sir.
Ito na yata ang pinaka-pleasant na hotel na tinuluyan namin. We're definitely coming back.
Thank you very much. Yun na naman ang gusto namin, na maging masaya ang mga guests namin.
Well, you're doing a great job then. Salamat ulit.
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Come again. Alam mo, Alexa, kapag nakikita kita, I can't help it. I'm just so proud of you. Ang layo-layo na ng narating mo. Ibang-iba ka na mula nung una kitang nakita.
Lahat yan nagagawa ko dahil sa inyo, sa tulong ninyo, Julie. Maraming salamat.
Pero hindi ka magiging ganyan kung hindi mo tinulungan ang sarili mo.
Thank you.
Hotel McBride, good afternoon. One deluxe room? Okay. Under whose name? Alfred Alcantara? Yes?
Is this Mr. Alfred Alcantara?
Yes?
We have a very special offer for you, sir. We will let you stay sa aming honeymoon suite, plus complimentary dinner for two for your first night stay, sir. At lahat ng yan pa for regular room rates. This is our anniversary offer for couples, kaya pwede niyong isama ang inyong asawa or girlfriend, perhaps.
Actually, I don't have a wife. Girlfriend, meron.
At mas maganda ako dun sa bulag at inutil niyang asawa, no?
I'm looking forward to seeing you, Alfred. Mr. Alfred Alcantara.
And thank you also. And happy anniversary sa inyo. May I know who this is? Anyway, this is our lucky day. Na-upgrade yung room natin for free. Doon tayo ilalagay sa honeymoon suite nila.
Wow! Kailan tayo, Les?
Mamaya, mag-ayos ka na ng gamit.
Thanks!
Sige lang, Alfred. Isipin mo na maswerte ka ngayon. Tingnan natin pag tumating ka dito, kung yan pa rin ang mararamdaman mo.
Good evening. We have a reservation under Alfred Alcantara.
Ganda dito, ah. Mr. Alfred Alcantara?
Yes?
Welcome to the Hotel McBride Valley Hills branch. Kanina pa namin iniintay ang inyong pagdating. Sir, ma'am, welcome.
Talaga. Parang napaka-special naman ang treatment niyo sa amin dito sa hotel niyo.
You have no idea.
May sinasabi ka po?
My name is Julie San Diego, and I'm one of the vice presidents of the Hotel McBride group of companies. And I am in charge of making sure that you have a pleasant stay here at our hotel. So, would you want me to help you settle in now? Gusto niyo na po bang makita ang inyong kwarto?
Yeah, sure. Sige, sige.
Okay, fine. This way, sir. Ma'am, follow me.
Sabi mo dahil sila.
Pinaglaruan niyo ako dati. Inalipin. Pinagmukhang tanga. Ngayon ako naman. Hindi lang kayo magmumukhang tanga. Mararamdaman niyo ang pagbabalik ng patay na muling nabuhay.